This is the start of my networking lab series under 404 loading, where I am documenting what I am learning as I go. In this video, I'll set up a Cisco router from scratch using packet tracer, including basic configuration and remote access. Choose PT router. Next, APC. Let's say those connect with console cable. In PC, it will connect with RS-232 serial port. So I am starting by connecting the PC to the router using console level. Double click on PC, go to desktop, terminal. Whatever the settings is there, I am keeping it as it is. So clicking it OK. Let's make it a little quicker. Now opening the terminal to access the router CLI. This console connection is used for initial setup before any network configuration is done. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? So obviously no. I'll skip the initial configuration dialog and go directly to the CLI. This gives me more control instead of using the automatic setup. Command en or enable. Then I can write config t, or in short conf t. Entering privileged mode and then configuration mode. Privilege mode allows access to advanced commands, and configuration mode is used to make changes. So now let's change the router name first. I am keeping the router name as R1. So now the host name is R1. Ending it. Now to keep this setting, I have to write like keep this setting permanently. Copy, run, start. Destination file name, I'm not changing it, so enter. Billing configuration, okay. Saving the configuration. This ensures the settings are not lost after reload. So now I will go for show startup, or in short SSH startup. So now you can see the host name is R1, which I changed. Here you can see all details, whatever I will change or not. Let's reload. Now I will reload the router to verify the saved configuration. Reloading completed. Let's again config Oh, sorry, I need to do enable, then conf. Now I am doing enable password 123. I set one password as enable password 123, another password enable secret 456. Setting enable password and enable secret for security. The enable secret is encrypted and more secure than enable password. Again, copy start to set the password permanently. The configuration permanently saved. Reload. Yes. Now they are needing password. If I give 123, it will not work. So I need to give 456, which was the enable secret password. Now I am in. In short, after reload, the router now requires a password to access privileged mode. Even though two passwords were set, the enable secret takes priority because it's encrypted. Conf line, line console 0. I can write it, or in short, write line con 0. Now securing console access using line console. Let's set a password ICSS login. Setting a password and enabling login. This ensures anyone accessing through console must authenticate. End. Copy run start. Setting the configuration. Reload. First, now they are needing a password, which I set ICSS. It won't show, but I wrote ICSS. Now I am in. Again, enable another password, which will be 456. After reload, console access now requires authentication. So let's see another thing, a new setup. I am choosing a switch. Now cable first Ethernet 0/0 0/1, then first Ethernet 0 1/1. Now connecting the router to a switch using fast Ethernet. This allows router to communicate with devices in the network. Pick the router, CLI. Whatever I did in router using PC terminal, everything is same here. Each and everything. Reload, setting password, because we are doing that in router through PC's terminal. So let's again go to PC terminal. Conf int f0/0 IP address 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0, assigning IP address 10.0.0.1. This IP will act as the gateway for connected devices. So now I have to set no shutdown, or in short, no shut. Enabling the interface using no shutdown. By default, interfaces are disabled, so this activates it. Copy, run, start. So IP in brief. Now it is showing that IP address already assigned. And up. Saving and verifying interface status using SHIP int brief. SH means show. Let's assign IP address now in PC. Desktop, IP configuration 10.0.0.2. Tab, automatic the subnet mask will be taken. Already set. Just double checked it. Now let's go to command prompt. Pin 10.0.0.1. So connection is okay. Now let's go to router CLI. Pin 10.0.0.2. success rate is 100%. So testing connectivity using ping from both sides. This confirms that communication between devices is working. Now let's go to the next step. And again in router CLI, conf line VTY 04. Configuration for configuring VTY lines for remote access using Telnet. Let's set Telnet password. Let's say Cisco. Login. Setting password and enabling login. This allows remote users to access the router using that password. And copy run start. Saving the configuration. Now let's go to the PC command. Telnet 10.0.0.1. Enter. Open user access verification. It's needing. Let's give Cisco. We are in. Again en. Another password 456. A secret password. Entering enable mode after login. Now SSH start. Whatever I did, everything is showing. Exit. We close the connection by foreign host. Let's go again to router CLI. Now we will set the timing, the time, normal time in this router CLI. That command is clock set. Let's say we'll set 1800. Today is 29th April 2026. So we have to give the time in 24 hours format, hours, minute, second, and then date. Setting the system clock manually. Copy run start for permanent change. Show clock. 18 0 13.334 is like milliseconds. UTC here times format, sorry, time zone in UTC. Wednesday, April 29, 2026. Let's again go for conf IP domain name loading.com. I just randomly gave some .com. You can do whatever you want here because it is a stimulation. Now, why I did this? Configuring the SSH for secure remote access. A domain name is required for the generating encryption keys. That's why I gave loading.com. Now, crypto generate RSA. They want to know how many bytes. We can set the byte to 362.2048. Standard is 512, but I will give 2048. So setting domain name and generating RSA keys. These keys are used to enable secure communication. So again, let's go for conti line. Oh, sorry, invalid. I guess I have to exit. Now let's go for conti line VTY04 transport input SSH login local. Switching VTY access to SSH only. This disables Telnet and allows only secure connections. Exit. Username test. Password test123. I am setting username test and password as test123. Creating a local user for authentication. Copy, run, start. Exit. Then copy, run, start. Let's go to the PC command. SSH-L test 10.0.0.1. Test is our username. They are wanting password, so test123. Now connecting to the router using SSH. SSH encrypts the session, making it more secure than Telnet. So en, again the password, secret password 456. We are in. Logging in the configured credential again. So that's all for today. This covered basic router configuration and remote access using Telnet and SSH. More labs will come as I continue to learning. I am treating this YouTube channel as my learning journey in cybersecurity path. So let's see what's future holds for me. Now, bye. Take care. Keep learning.